Hello all, welcome back to our CA Foundation course. This is your faculty Sudarshan for your accounts paper and mathematics paper. I will be guiding you through an entire mentorship program to your entire CA Foundation course. Okay. Now we will discuss about what is given in CA Foundation new syllabus. New syllabus 2023. In this CA Foundation new syllabus, you are having 4 papers. Paper 1, paper 2, paper 3 follow, and finally you are having paper number 4. Paper number 1, you can name it as accounting. And paper number 2, it is a discussion about business law. And paper number 3, we will be called this as quantitative aptitude. Then paper number 4 will be your entire business economics. This will be for 100 marks, again 100 marks. This will also be 100 marks, and this will also be 100 marks. These 2 papers will be of descriptive mode, like what you have done it in your 11th standard, 12th standard, or if you are direct entry student and simultaneously doing BCom with CA Foundation, it's like a descriptive paper, like how you have presented your paper in accounts, commerce, economics, like that. Then quantitative aptitude and business economics is MCQ based paper. Everything will be based on choose the best answer and you need to shade it in OMR. Okay, so 100 marks. So this is only 4 papers which you are going to study. One is for accounting, second paper is for law, third is quantitative aptitude, 4 is business economics. This is fully of business economics only. Okay, fully focus on business economics only. Okay, then previously in our old syllabus with business law, we are having business correspondence reporting like an English paper, and business economics, we are having an business commercial knowledge. Now business correspondence reporting and business commercial knowledge, these 2 papers has been removed. Instead of that, from CA intercurriculum, they have few chapters they have pre-pondered to CA Foundation curriculum. Okay, this entirely you're going to study for law and entirely you're going to focus on business economics. Believe me, that is not too much difficult. Even the law paper also, business economics paper also, it's not too much difficult. Business economics, which you have already covered it in your 12th standard, 11th standard syllabus. Quantitative aptitude, believe me, we are only going to follow our tricks. Wherever possible, we will only go with the tricks. And then the business law, it is also, if you study the papers 1 or twice, thrice, it will become easier for you. And accounting, surely it is an exemption paper. 70 marks to 80 marks is guaranteed. You can easily score so many. This is a scoring paper. Paper number 1 is also a scoring paper. Paper number 4 is also a scoring paper. Paper number 2 and 3 depends on the person. It keeps on fluctuating. Some person will score 70 in maths also, 85 in economics, 90 in economics also. Some will score 50 in law. It depends on person to person. But paper number 1 and paper number 4, if you have a basic knowledge, what you have studied in 11, what you have studied in 12th standard, it is more than sufficient. It is more than enough to crack your exams in a very first attempt. Okay. So now we will be focusing on the passing criteria. As you all know, in foundation level alone, each paper you need to secure 40%. It means 40 marks. In aggregate, in total, put together 4 papers, you need to score 50%. If it is 100 marks paper into 40, it is 40 marks. then total you are going to write it for 400 marks. 400 marks into 50%, it is going to give you 200 marks. In each paper, you should score minimum 40, then only you will able to pass the paper. And then not only 40 marks is important. You need to secure all the 4 papers put together. You need to secure 200 marks. Then only you have passed CA foundation. For passing CA foundation, 200 marks is required. For passing each paper, 40 marks is required. In this case, let's say it is 40, 40, 40. Let's say it's a basic assumption. So total 160. In this case, 160 marks you have scored. If you seen by paper wise, 40, 40, 40, criteria satisfied. But second criteria, if it is 50%, that is 200 marks, you are not get the 200 marks. So you are not completed the foundation course. Paper wise, you are passed, but in total, you are not able to complete your CA foundation. So you need to write all the 4 papers in the very next attempt. And there is another criteria, 60, 40, 50, 30, 4, let's say. In this case, you will score 184, even though all the papers 3 papers you have passed. 4th paper, let's say 4th paper means it's not in any particular order. Okay, 4th paper, 34 marks you are secured, not clear. Total is also not clear. Both criteria is not satisfied. So you need to write all the 4 papers again. Or even I will give you this scenario. Account 60, Law 50, Economics 70, but Maths 30. Let's say it's a basic thing. In our students, none of the students are scored 30. Okay, I'm just saying. Okay, just take it as an example. Okay, what's our mark? It's nearly 210. Is it right? It's 210, correct? Each paper, 40 criteria satisfied? No, this paper not satisfied. But in aggregate, I have scored. But what in foundation level they have restricted now? Even you have scored 60 or 60 above in any paper, you need to write all the 4 papers in the next attempt. In foundation level alone. In intermediate level, if you have scored any paper 60 or above, that paper you should not write for the next 3 consecutive attempts. Okay, so in this, your focus should not only on one paper. It should be in comprehensively. You should focus all the 4 papers put together with same dedication. Okay, this is a passing criteria. So you are having 4 papers, out of which 4 papers you are having, this is a passing criteria. When examination will be conducted? Examination, regarding examination. Examination will be conducted on June month and December month. Mostly it will be last week of June and last week of December in most probable cases. Okay. So this is done. Timing for the examination. For papers 1 and 2, you will get 15 minutes for question paper reading. It's a reading time. 3 hours of for writing or presenting your examination, writing your answers. You will get 3 hours. Additional 3 hours you will get. Then in paper 3 and paper 4, you will get only 2 hours for writing your exams. Okay, as it is a MCQ paper, you will get only 2 hours. In this paper 3 and 4, you will get 100 questions. Each day examination will be conducted one paper only. Okay, so the timing will be from, for this two papers, it is from 1:45 p.m. to 5 p.m. 1:45 p.m. to 5 p.m. And this 3 and 4 paper, as per the current scenario, it is from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. What timing for the examination? This is for the papers you need to present. Examination I covered, timings for the examination covered, passing criteria I covered, what is the entire syllabus I covered. Okay, this is the 4 things majorly required. And most important thing, when I need to register for examination, they say at least there should be minimum 4 months. Time gap should be minimum 4 months. Let's say you are going to write it on December. It is from July 31st. July 31st. August, September, October, November. Then that August, September, October, November. Then that in the case only you will write your exams in December month. So for July 31st is the due date for December exams. Okay, for June exams, it is January 31st. Okay, then only February, March, April, May. 4 months you will get. Okay. So this is about the registration, and the registration fees is rupees 9,000. In this 9,000, you will get your books. That in this we will call this as study material. They will deliver to your doorstep. In address in that address they will deliver to your doorstep through couriers, through various couriers they have been dispatching. This is what you need to pay a fees to the institute, that is to the Institute of ICAI, Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. You will get, and you can register in ICAI SSP portal. In that you can register, and you can order your books in ICAI CDS portal, centralized dispatch system. That portal, that's the entire purpose for dispatching the materials to the students, that will take care. So you are having ICAI SSP portal and ICAI CDS portal for your, this will be your registration. Once you are done with the registration, you will get a number. Initially you will get a number called application number. It is a random generated number. This will be applicable for 2 to 3 days or maximum 4 to 5 days. And after that, you will be allocated with SRO number. Okay, that's a SRO number is from your foundation level till your final level. You will be done with the SRO numbers along with the password you will get. After getting this number, you will go to the CDS portal and you need to log in with your SRO number followed by the 7 numbers. SRO is the first. SRO means Southern region. Okay, Southern region. SR means Southern region. Okay, and you are having a 7 numbers. Along with, you need to put a date of birth for login purpose. After that login, you can order your books. You can apply a coupon. Okay, you can apply a coupon as you already pay 9,000 rupees. So you can apply a coupon to get the books once it is done. Coming to another part, examination fees. What is the examination fees? It is for foundation level, it is 1,500 per attempt. Let's say, let's put it in this way. For June exam, if you are going to write, you need to pay 1,500. If you clear this attempt, then go and welcome to CA Intermediate. If you are not clear, again, you need to pay 1,500. That is the due date. That is the notification. Everything I will be updating you. That's not an issue here. Okay. We have covered almost everything, I think so. Regarding the introduction, we are having covered again paper 4 papers, passing criteria, examination, timing for the examination, when I need to register, how much I need to pay, what is the fees I need to pay to them, how to register books, how to do an books ordering, and how to register in SSP portal. And I have covered examination fees. In this examination fees also, you can do it in SSP portal itself. Okay, they will be announcing at the time you can do it. This is regarding examination fees part. Okay, this is an entire introduction about your CA foundation curriculum in the new syllabus. Thank you. In our next upcoming videos, we will be focusing on your each and every paper, what is the syllabus and how we are going to approach it. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.